Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Freeform and creating a new board so you have a clean workspace. Tap the plus button, name your board, and pick orientation. This helps organize later. Once done, grant photo and pencil access so you can drag images and draw smoothly. Make sure to choose a simple background to reduce visual clutter. This makes resizing and layering easier. Now you're ready to add content, images, sticky notes, or sketches, so proceed to import or draw your first elements. Next, add and arrange your content. Drag photos from Photos, drop text boxes, or sketch with Apple Pencil. These are your building blocks. Once elements are on the board, tap to select one, use 2 fingers to reposition, pinch to resize, and twist to rotate, which gives precise layout control. If you have many items, tap and drag to select multiple or use the lasso to group them, then align using guides. This structured approach keeps the board readable and lets you finish, review your board for spacing and clarity, then use the Share menu to export as PDF or image and invite collaborators if needed. Lock finished elements so you won't move them by mistake and create sections to keep large boards manageable. This preserves your flow. If something goes wrong, like boards not syncing, make sure iCloud is enabled for Freeform, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and restart the app. These steps usually restore synced content quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.